Knock, knock. I'm coming in. I'm at your door. Knock, 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 knock. I'm coming in. Don't let me in though. We have to keep social distance. I'm here for another visit and to catch up with our lives, what we've been doing and how we feel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Carol. I'm 71 years old and I am a grandmother of 7. I have 2 grown kids, 50 and 51 and 49, soon to be 50. So how's everyone doing today? How's your mental state? How's your physical state? Are you keeping busy? What did I do today? I was just reading and on the computer and cleaned my room, got dressed, made some dumplings for lunch. What else? I had my little cereal for breakfast, but then I said, let me come up here and connect. Let's connect. So I decided to make a video. So I did my whole makeup, but get ready with me, and I didn't like the way it came out. It's just weird. Sometimes it's just weird. So I'm going to tell you everything that I used, and I hope you relax, take a little break from the world, from the news, and let me take care of you for the next few minutes. Okay, so, oh, I have to show you this. Look at that. You know what this is? Is that not the cutest? I just love Starbucks coffee things, and I don't even go to Starbucks. But this is my phone case, and this is my charger. I'll put links to both below. I watched a YouTuber, and her name is Laura Lee. She did this hairdo, and I said, everyone's wearing their hair in a knot, but this is more like a bow. And it's kind of cute with these little things, I think. And this part here gets wrapped around, so I did record it. I'll show you a quick video of it. So I'm pulling most of my hair up in a ponytail, or we used to call it in high school a palm tree. So appropriate for where I live now. And you can see all my roots. Now I am leaving a good inch out. It's not going to stay like that, but I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. It's kind of fun. You have to have these little clips. So what you do is we're going to separate it. We're going to bring it down. Make it almost like a bow. All right. So you could do the side part or a middle part. You want to take the shortest parts because you want to have like a tendrils, but you don't want them that long. You want them the shortest. And if you don't have them, you should just cut some. All right, put this behind your ear. Now this side, take the least. That's pretty good. I think that's good. Let's see. The shortest, and then pull the others away. Okay, this is good. Now, take the back part here, the part that you separated, and you're going to pull it around. And you're going to meet it in the back, and then you're going to put the clip on it. Now, I don't know how great the back looks right now, but I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. Try to do something like that, and okay, so on to the makeup. I have to show you that I found a substitute for my Lancome Le Glow bronzer, and it's by ALMAY. Now, you know I went through about 14, 15, 16 bronzer blushes to try to replace that. So I found this. Where do you see it? It's called Smart Shade. It's the powder bronzer, and it's number 40, Sun-Kissed. And I will put the Lancome Le Bronzer on the split screen right here, and you'll see how close it is. Look at this. So you've got 4 individual colors. It's hard to see it though. I'll show how it looks on the face. Okay, so I always start off with a very fluffy brush. Do you see? It's very, very soft. Now, if you want a more intense shade, you open the bottom, and there is a brush. It's in little brackets. It snaps right in, and then you take it out. It's narrow enough that you can pick the color that you want. Now, if you want just the contour part, you could just go like that. Now, when you do use this, you get a more intense shade. So this brush is actually fabulous, fabulous. I love it. I love it. I'm just thrilled that I finally found something. I think it's discontinued also, but it's easy to find. It's easy to get. It's all over the internet. You can find it, but this is just perfect. I go like that. And let's see. Can you see that? It's got a slight sheen to it, but it's not too much. It just keeps you a nice glow on your face. I absolutely love it, and I have been using it every day. So good. Also, I wanted to show you what I used today. I used the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. Now, my friend Mary, Glitzy Fritzy, doesn't like this. Now, I want to show you, Mary, how I use it. I use one of these brushes. Now, this is exact dupe of the Real Techniques. You don't have to use the Real Techniques. You can use any brush that looks something like this. And I will put links below for this. These are dupes. What you do is you just swirl it around and it goes on smooth. I know what Mary said. It was like too stiff for her, but not if you do it this way. If you do it this way, it goes on smooth. Look how lightly I'm touching, and look at that. It just goes on smooth and easy and even, and it keeps your eyeshadow on all day. It's fabulous. It's just as good as the NYX. The NYX are my favorite. They have the white, they have flesh. This is the flesh. They have white pearl, and they have black. This has several shades also. I just happened to find the white. This is a great, great eye primer. So I just want to show you that. Also, I have a new product that I'm using for my eyebrows that is even cheaper than the Maybelline Tattoo Studio that we all love. And it's by e.l.f. Now, you're going to see a video of mine. I don't know if you saw it already, or you're going to see it, of my e.l.f. haul. So I don't know when that's going up in comparison to this, but this is from the haul, and it's amazing. I have it on today, and this is called Light Brown. I think this is the lightest shade, and it is a lock-in liner and brow product. I only use it for my brows. It lasts all day on me. It's incredible, ladies. It's only a few dollars. I don't even think it's $6, less than $6, maybe $3. Oh yeah, I use the spritz of my Matte Fix Plus. I have it in the mini and in the big size. For foundation, I use the IT CC Cream Illumination. I always like the Illumination much better than the regular. If you've tried the regular and you don't like it, switch over to the Illumination. It's really good. This mixed with the Wet n Wild Dewy, perfection. Perfection. I haven't worn this yet alone, so I'm sure it's sheerer if it's worn alone, but I like the extra coverage it gives me with the 2 and the sun protection that this gives me. This is the 50 SPF, and this is just the Wet n Wild. I don't think there's any sunscreen in here. But it says shake well before using. This is the dewy one. These two are great, and they last all day. All right, this is what I put my makeup on with. See this called YUBI? YUBI is an innovation in cosmetic tools specifically engineered for self-application. This is not for the makeup artist to put makeup on somebody. This is not for you to put makeup on somebody. This is for you to put your own makeup on. With a brush like this, it's easy to do it yourself, on yourself, and it's easy to do it on somebody, like you're painting a canvas. But this is for self-application, and I'll show you why. It comes like this, and it's already used, because I just used it. It comes with this finger applicator. You go like that, and then you snap in the brush or the sponge. Now this is the brush, it's very dense, it's very soft. I put all my foundation on with it. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely easy to use, gets in everywhere, and really fun to use. Then I switched over, and all you do is snap it out from this little ledge right there, and snap it in, and this is a sponge. So you see, it's spongy. It really is spongy. It's a great, great sponge. And you could do your whole makeup with this. I did a swiping motion with the brush, and then I went around and I patted everything with the sponge. I could have put the foundation on with this also. This was really nice. This was sent to me by this company, YUBI, Beauty at Your Fingertips, Buff and Blend Duo. And it even says, YUBI's ergonomically designed for self-application of cosmetics at home or on the go. Now that would be great to throw in your cosmetic bag when you're traveling. It says fast and easy, ergonomically makes YUBI faster and easy to use, used for flawless results. It's like using your fingers. And if you can see the picture here, here is the brush. It's thick, dense, it's soft, and then here's the sponge. It's really, really cute. This is the first day I used it, and I really love it. It's great. So thank you, YUBI. And this was just a company that randomly contacted me, and because the product looked like fun, I said, okay, send it to me, and I will show my viewers. So thank you. Oh, let me show you this. This, I'm going to put links to this right below. You are going to flip. These are so inexpensive. Look at this. What is this, you're thinking? What does she have there? These are, what is this called? Clean sponge, it's called. There's all different kinds, but let me tell you, the ones I put the links down, I tried and tested. So, see this fabric? This is to wash your face. Inside this fabric is soft sponge, just like the Blendiful. But this is to remove your makeup. Now, after I use it, I hang it up in my bathroom, and then the next morning, I just wet this with very warm water, and I just wipe my face with it, and then I soak my eyes. Oh, it just feels so good. And they come clean. I have other versions of this. I have this. This is called the facial puff. I'm going to put links down for the round one and links down below for the square. But fabulous. Now this one, I am choosing to use this in my studio to clean my brushes with. And I have one in my bathroom that I use for my makeup removal and for my morning wash. And then these, I will just save them. This way I can keep using a clean one weekly. I would say they'd be good for a week. You squeeze them out really good and let them hang to dry. And these are great gifts for your teenagers too. And you give each family member a different color. I mean, and these come in army green, in maroon, black, white, pink, beige, and these come in these colors here. These three colors. And, you know, it'll help your teens washing their faces, their preteens, your kids, everybody. It's so much fun. When I tell you how much fun this is to use, I mean it. It feels like, ooh, 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 ooh. I'm telling you, it feels so good. I just love it. And these sleeves I'm wearing, I will try to find them on Amazon. They're just sleeves. I put them on because I didn't want my arms to be flapping. They just dress up an outfit. Now this shirt, I have never walked out of the house with this shirt on. I never will. And I'm not going anywhere. So I said, I'm going to wear it on a video because it's colorful and fun. And that's what we want now. We want fun. I'm just looking here. I have to clean this whole area up. I don't even want to show you. I will show you, okay? All right, I'm taking a video of what I am looking at right now. Okay? So I have to clean. So I'm going to go and clean right after I'm done with this video. But I want to get everything off of this table. And this is another item that I got from Radiant Labs. I showed this in another video in the recent week or so. This plushed 50 milligrams of CBD. I put this on every night on my lips and on my crow's feet. And it stays on all night. And I just feel like, I don't know, it's doing something good because it's got CBD. It intrigues me. I like it. So this was another product that Radiant Labs sent me through Octoly, and it's called PURIFIED. It's an anti-stress scrub and soak for body and bath. It's got 200 milligrams. This company is no joke about CBD. The lip balm has 50. And this has 200 milligrams full spectrum CBD for restorative. It's got eucalyptus for clarifying. It's got juniper for detoxifying. And it's got wild orange for vitalizing. Apply to skin in a gentle circular motion to exfoliate and soothe, or drop in a few spoons in the bath for a detox soak. Ooh, let's look at it. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Tonight is the night. Me and this. Me and Radiant Labs PURIFIED are going in the tub. It's like, it looks like brown sugar. Oh, and it's got that little orange smell to it. Ooh, I just want to put that all over my body. Thank you, Radiant Labs. I really appreciate it. I'm going to soak my stress away. So thanks for watching. I'm going to end the video now. And remember, I'm here for you. I want to give you a big hug because I love you all so much. And I am honored that you come here and see me. And I want you to know that I pray for you every night. And don't be stressed. Don't be depressed. Try to stay well. Come back and visit me and we'll cheer each other up. Okay? I'm going through the same things you are. I love you all. Mwah.